Hello crypto enthusiasts, it's your boy Daniel and I'm back with another new video today. Now today's video is going to be about Notcoin, alright? If you have been following my channel, you know I created a video about this very token, and I didn't really update my community that much when the coin ended, and that's because I've been kind of speculating. I wanted to know where this is heading to and what they have in stock for us, but it seems they are taking their time to put things in place. So this is the reason I haven't brought any update to you. But for those who are in my community, who joined my community using the link in the description, they must have seen when I posted Notcoin balances, and I also told people to drop their Notcoin balance right there. So this is the update I want to bring to you today. We're going to be looking at what Notcoin have installed for us, what to expect next, and how the project is going so far. So first thing first, you want to click on let's go, right? That's what you're meant to click on. Now the moment you click on let's go, you're going to see this bright light that's going to illuminate almost half of your screen. Now this prompt will come out which says everything that has a beginning has an end. The very last Notcoin has been mined, and now we celebrate the end with you. It's probably nothing, but you know it was great meeting you. Every end is not a real end, so let's see what's on the other side. Now this is the notice they have for you. Now what you're meant to do right now is to click on the old Notcoin white button. Now just click on that. Now this is a part of the video I saved from the very first update they gave us when the mining ended. So right here, as you can see, data is processing, will be available soon. Now while you're waiting, these are the four sections they brought out then, and as you can see, the first one says not guide for Web3, the second says pre-market, how it works. The third is not tokens and listings, and the fourth is balance conversion to not. Okay, now for the Web3 guide, I made a mistake of not getting the link back then, but it doesn't really matter because you can still follow the social media handle. I'm going to show you the updated interface of this right now. Okay, now pre-market and how it works would all be well communicated with us by the Not team. Okay, now there's something I want to show you. This is a story they released on the very day the Notcoin mining ended. Now what they released in their Telegram story was kind of the stats that went on in the Notcoin app. As you can see right here, 35,197,397 people played Notcoin. That's like 0.44% of the Earth's population. Now the next stat right here is that there are 8,887,787,144,901 total taps. Now this is the total amount of taps in the Notcoin app, because this is a tap to earn app, right? You tap to earn. Why for the squad section, the biggest farm was 53,782 squads. Right, this is the amount of squads that was created in the Notcoin mining site. Now Notcoiners invited by friends were over 94%. So 94% of miners were invited by friends. Now 2 million diamond hands. Alright, there were 2 million people that reached the Diamond League. Okay, which I am one of them. When we were mining, you must have mined up to 10 million Notcoin before entering the Diamond League. So this is the stats for the Diamond League. And right here we're made to know that 648,015 Notcoiners found the way. What do I mean? There was a time they introduced an update that people who aren't active will be removed from the Notcoin app if you didn't mine for a certain amount of time. And I believe this is where the burning comes from, right? Because over 17 trillion 461 billion 531 million 48,942 tokens were burned. All right, and lastly, this is the conclusion message which says every end is not a real end, so let's see what's on the other side. And then you have this tree, this leaf icon right here, which signifies that Notcoin is about to grow. And for those who haven't, or who are just watching this video for the first time, this is how the miner button looks like, right, at first glance. So we've seen how the update looks like when it ended and the stats they give to us. So now let's look at the present, which is how the interface looks like now and what to expect in the coming days or in the coming months. So if you have kind of abandoned your Notcoin app and you just returned, if you click on let's go, now this is what you're going to see. You're going to be asked to follow the rabbit, and once you follow the rabbit, you're going to be given this very prompt which says Notcoin mining is over, the next phase is almost here. Now it's going to say check results. Okay, check the results. So I'm going to click on check the result right now, and right here it's loading up. I believe it's going to redirect us to our Notcoin mining site right here, because it's not actually an app. It was built on the Telegram app. So now this is how the new update looks like, and as you can see, your Notcoin result right here, your Notcoin token and listing, future next phase, and clicker, how it works. So I'm going to address all this as fast as I can, right? So if I click on my Notcoin result right now, you're going to see this, which says tap 2%. You've tapped 2,386,849 times. That's the amount of times I tapped. All right, so now congratulations. Now go eyes your tapping finger. So I'm going to click on next right now, and as you can see right here, it says 1,800,300 bond on boost skins and other activity. You are a fire starter, right? I spent about 1 million Notcoin, 1.8 million Notcoin on boosters and other things right there. This is actually my start. You see your start once you log into the Notcoin app. All right, so hack system with auto tab boost. He tapped on full steam instead of you. It was my pleasure, human. Now this is auto tab boot. If you were following my videos back then, I told you guys that the best way to mine Notcoin faster was getting the auto tab boot. All right, because this is actually a boot that will tap for you even while you are sleeping. Okay, let's move to the next, and as you can see, 8 campaigns and end 1,474,424 Notcoin. This is just the beginning. Now let's move to next, and you can see it says party maker invited 103 friends, which earned you 5,692,500 Notcoin. Much. Wow, so I kind of invited over 103 people. It's not just by my effort, it's by you guys' effort for taking action, and I appreciate you all for that. Now if I click on next right here, you're going to see that 1,000 Notcoin is converted to just 1 Notcoin. So I mined about 31,822,000 Notcoin, but what I have here right now is 31,823 Notcoin. And as you can see the result here, I repeat, 1,000 Notcoin is converted to 1 Not. Alright, as you can see, my achievement right here is respect, because I got over 100 plus friends. So I'm going to click on next right now. So you have seen my Notcoin result and how much I earned. So let's move on to this next one right here. Okay, as you can see, it says Notcoin token and listing. Now the moment you click on Notcoin token and listing, it's going to take you to this very site which says Notcoin.notion.site. So if you want to know what the Notcoin is planning, the project and everything, you can just open up this very site and read their update. It's simple as ABC. Now I'm not going to read all this, but I'm just going to give you a summary of what they're talking about right here. Now what they're saying right here is that they can't list this token right away, and that's because they need to put things in place. It takes some time to put things in place, and even if you didn't participate in the voucher sale or whatever, your coin will still be intact. All right, as far as you have Telegram and you still have Notcoin boot, your coin would be intact. So this is basically what this short update right here contains. Now if we head back right here and click on future next phase, now this is what is going to show us, and the update right now says Notcoin, go down the rabbit hole. And yes, the biggest crypto community, 35,197,397 friends on board. The next 300 million are coming. Now the next is infinite model projects buy Not to give it to explorers. So Not Treasury, you and Reborn. So this is how it works. Now they have the Not Treasury right here, then you are the project, all right, because the community is a project, and then they have the burning stage. Okay, the treasury is right here, then the one you have is right here, then they burn the ones that are not necessary, all right, the ones that needs to be burned. Okay, so you earn by exploring crypto. This is what you need to know. New experience every month, viral games, your favorite square, collectibles, fair launches, and meme tokens. This is what the Notcoin project are aiming to do in the near future. Now the Telegram trading bot integration for smooth experience. If you intend to trade, Notcoin will be traded on Telegram when it launches fully. All right. They were telling us that it's nothing, but we are now seeing that this is going to be something. So hold on to your Notcoin tight, hold on to your Telegram account tight. Okay. Now the last one right here says the next phase is coming. Still probably nothing. All right, still probably nothing, but just hold on to it tight. If it turns out to be nothing in the future, fine, you don't lose anything. All right, not like you paid anything. All right, that's why I even advise people not to invest yet. Right, you have to see how things goes first. So heading back here, let's click on clicker, how it was. This is actually for newbies, people who just haven't really understood how Notcoin works. This is how the clicker actually looks like. If you signed up newly, this is how you're going to see clicker. So this is what you need to know about the update. Now there's an important update I want to show you on Twitter. Okay, let me head over to Twitter right now and show you the listing date that was proposed for this. So this is the very first update I want to show you right here, which is 3.1 balance conversion, and in-game currency vouchers of total supply now have 3.0 less to make it easier to read the price of the token. So examples before and after. So token price right here is 4 zeros and 1, while the after, which is the actual price after the whole buzz, was 0.01. But always know that testnet price is not actually the real price until the tokens actually goes fully live. That's when you know the real price. So do not have any price in mind yet, because things can change. All right, so this is what I want you to know. They also made us to know that there are 80 trillion in-game coins, but it's now actually 80 billion. Right, so the total supply is about 80 billion. Now this is another update that is important here. They wanted to list the coin on the 20th of April, okay, but it didn't work out. So they kind of draw this meme right here to inform us that it's not going to work out on the 20th of April. And right here, here's another update right here in their official Twitter page, which says the whole story is kind of a meme. And it says not will get listed, and the next right here says not will list April 20th, and the next right here says date could change, and then it says soon. Okay, so I believe the Notcoin teams are still putting things in place. So this is what you need to know about Notcoin, the project, and how it's going. You can follow their social media handle. As you can see, these guys are partnering with Telegram, all right, and Telegram has been partnering with Ton. So Notcoin is also integrating with Telegram right now. So if you want to follow their social media handles, just open your app. You can join them on Telegram, and you can also join them on X platform, on their X platform, which is Twitter. So this is the video I have for you guys today. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, drop your comments if you have any question. Share this video if you found it helpful, or you believe there are people that this video could benefit. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that right now by hitting that subscribe button and turning the notification bell on to all, so that you don't miss out on any updates I drop on the channel. Also join our small social media community, which is Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp, in order to stay updated with the latest happening in the Notcoin community. Very soon I'm going to introduce another tap to mine app that you guys are really going to enjoy, just like Notcoin. So stay tuned and make sure you turn your notifications on, all right, so that whenever I drop that video, you'll be one of the first to hop in right now. A lot of you might have joined this very tap to mine app, but for those of us who don't know, make sure you stay tuned for that very update. Okay, so this is it, guys. I remain your crypto guide, Daniel Patrick, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, guys.